Introducing the cutting-edge 2025 Cupra Born E-BOOST with 231 bhp and only 11 kilometers on the clock. This sleek white beauty is packed with top-of-the-line features, from ambient lighting and satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking and emergency call. With luxurious interior trim and advanced safety technologies like lane departure warning and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy the convenience of wireless charging, voice control, and more. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.